It was another hot, humid, and sunny day in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. A beautiful day to say the least. Perfect beach weather with hardly a single cloud in the sky. The water temperature very warm for this time of year, right around 84 degrees, but that heat and humidity is on the rise. We topped out in the upper 80s right along the immediate coastline, lower 90s as we head further inland. And here's a look at what to expect hour by hour for the day tomorrow. Upper 70s to around 80s for the first half of your day. We'll be topping out in the mid to upper 80s as we head into the second half of your day, with heat indexes likely in the upper 80s to lower 90s under partly sunny skies. The heat and humidity is sticking around, and it's only going to get worse. A very strong dome of high pressure is going to be dominating the central and southern half of the country, leading to very warm temperatures, not just for our area, but especially for parts of Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas, and all across parts of the Gulf Coast, where heat indexes will likely be above 110 degrees. So it is very, very important that if you do live anywhere across Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, and anywhere along the Gulf Coast, that you are staying hydrated every single day and you are limiting your time outdoors as well. On top of this, it is going to be very, very humid. Dew points, we're going to be in the mid to upper 70s, so it is truly going to be that air that you can wear. And as you might have guessed, this is going to lead to very high heat indexes, especially for our area as well. Temperatures along the immediate coastline over the next several days will be topping out in the upper 80s to around 90s, but once you factor in all that humidity, we'll be topping out around 94 degrees for your Friday. It'll feel like 99 on Saturday, and then we are going into the low 100s for your Sunday, Monday, and even into the 4th of July as well. And as you get further inland where you don't have that direct influence that is from the sea breeze, it only gets worse. We'll be topping out in the mid to upper 90s all weekend long, and even as we head into the start of next week, once you factor in the humidity, it'll feel like it's 99 tomorrow, 105 for your Saturday, and getting dangerously high as we head into Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday as well, with heat indexes potentially as high as 111 degrees. I cannot stress how important it will be that you are staying hydrated and limiting your time outdoors. This heat is definitely not anything to mess with. Now, thankfully, before we get into that, we do have a pretty decent forecast. If you plan on going house hunting, temperatures will be starting out in the mid 80s for the first half of your day, warming up into the mid to upper 80s as we head into the second half of the day. I'm looking for partly to mostly sunny skies for the first half of your day, and then we do have a small chance for a few showers and maybe even a rumble of thunder as well once we get that daytime heating to combine with the sea breeze. And right before your 10 days, let's take a look at your Independence Day forecast. Probably sunny and very, very hot. 91 on the coastline, upper 90s as you head further inland. And like I said, once you factor in that humidity, it will feel like we are in the triple digits. So very hot and very, very humid with a few showers around. Once again, heat index is likely in between 106 and 107 degrees, and that's just right along the immediate coastline. It gets even worse as you head further inland. Here's a look at your extended 10-day forecast. First off, for our friends right along the immediate coastline, only very small chances of rain for your day tomorrow and also for your Saturday. And then we are back to our typical summertime pattern here in the Carolinas. Probably sunny skies every single day with a chance for a few isolated showers and storms, particularly in the afternoon. High temperatures will be topping out in the upper 80s to lower 90s before falling into the mid to upper 70s overnight. Here's your forecast as you head further inland. Dangerous heat as we head into the upcoming weekend and also for the start of next week as well. Heat index likely above 105 degrees, especially over the next several days. Temperatures finally returning back to normal as we head into the second half of next week as they fall into the low to mid 90s. Overnight lows falling into the 70s. Keep it here, Liam's Weather, for all of the latest information, and I hope you all have an amazing Friday and an amazing weekend.